Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Sumit and you are watching Educational X. So let's get started. But before getting started, कीजिए एजुकेशनल एक्स चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियोस रिलेटेड टू एजुकेशन सबसे पहले देखने के लिए. Alright guys, so in today's video I am going to tell you about creating list in HTML. Before going towards HTML coding, I want to tell you something about HTML list. The lists in HTML are classified into three types: ordered list, unordered, and definition list. So guys, we are going to cover ordered list and unordered list in this video, and in another video we are going to cover definition list, so that the video doesn't go so long. The list provide a rich set of tools, tags and attributes that can be used to organize and display required content of your web page in the form of formatted list. Let us learn how to create different type of lists in HTML web page. Now let me open my HTML editor app, that is the writer app. सो गाइस, एक चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है मेरे लिए, वो ये कि आप मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कि आपको वीडियोस हिंदी में चाहिए या इंग्लिश में चाहिए, बिकॉज एंड योर दिस फीडबैक इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी. हैवंट वॉच्ड माय लास्ट वीडियोस, देन गो एंड वॉच देम to learn more about HTML basics. Firstly, we are going to discuss about unordered list and then about ordered list. So now let me write something so that we can use unordered list tag in that. Now for unordered list we use the tag ul, as you can see I have used, and for every point we use li tag. Okay. Now let me tell you about attributes in unordered list. We can change bullet type using type attribute. So now let us see how it looks. So guys, as you can see, it looks like this, and now I'm going to tell you about attributes in list tag. So guys, attribute, in what happen attribute, this signs that you can see it is in the form of bullets, these change. Okay, now let me show you how these change. Now we're going to back. Okay, now you can add a attribute which is type. Okay, by using by doing this attribute we can just change bullet type. Okay, type type. We can use square, as you can see this has been changed. Now one more we can do, that is circle. Okay, the hollow circles. Now as you can see hollow circles has been appeared. So as this we can change the attribute also. So guys, here we are completed with our unordered list. So now let us talk about ordered list. Ordered list and unordered list doesn't have many difference, just only at the place of ul you have to write ol. So at ul place you just have to write ol. Now let me write ol, and the attributes are small I, it is used for Roman number, and a, that is used for alphabet, then big I, that is used for Hindu Arabic numbers, and also for the upper Roman numbers. Now let me use the lower Roman number. Okay, now let us see how it looks in ordered list. So guys, as you can see our list has been appeared in the ordered list, and ordered list is also known as numbered list. As you can see the numbers are appearing here. So guys, this much only in this video, and in another video I am going to tell you about definition list.